Today we'll change my manual transmission oil on my KIA Spectra. First, you need to jack the car up about the same level, otherwise you'll get the wrong portion of oil in the gearbox. It's a 23mm with a brake bar and a ratchet, which I don't think I will need it today, but probably in your case you'll need a ratchet and oil transfer pump, whatever you want to call it. And that's your oil transmission oil. So get everything done, let's go. Well, firstly you'll see these two bolts here. The upper one is a filler plug and the lower one is the drain plug. Always do your filler plug first, because you don't want to end up with you draining up all your gearbox, but you can't get some more oil in, so that was an embarrassment. So just undo the filler plug first. And here you can see I've undone my filler plug. So the next step is drain the gear oil. Just unplug the drain plug and it should just go right in. Yeah, that's it. And you can undo your filler plug. This time you can see more oil is coming out, so let it dry and we'll come back later. And when this is drained out, just put back your drain plug and don't forget to tighten and torque it. You see the hose connect to the filler plug. So next step, we need to fill it up until it starts dripping out. Let's go. Just to see, it's still dripping out. It starts dripping out, so that means your transmission oil is about the same level. Alright, next, just make sure it's, yeah, see, when I top up some more, it starts dripping out. So in this case, it's okay. And then put your filler plugs in, lower your car, and then you can have a fun journey with your brand new gear oil. Thank you.